Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in this video I will be sharing with you two wine bottle labels, and I thought this project was super cute, especially for the holidays and maybe for giving away when you're going to a Christmas party or a New Year's party maybe. So I try to keep them quite neutral and more like winter themed than Christmas themed. And you can see here on camera I will create a couple of bows. I'm using hot glue for this. I actually sat down and created a bunch of them. You can see all the pieces that I had cut out. I used some for a different project. I don't know if that video is out yet or not. Otherwise stay tuned because I will have another video showcasing this die set really soon. But you can see here I played around with the placement of the snowflake, and yeah, I thought it was a really cute way. And this is the wine bottles that we will be creating. You can see you have a back or a shadow or a back piece, and then you have a layering piece that you can use. You can see here I cut the sentiment that also comes in this set, the thank you. I will have the you in a second here. And you can see I used a neutral paper that coordinates with the pattern paper, and I cut the same thing but in pink, so I had two variations. I also used the enjoy die for like in gold, and that is I think a more neutral sentiment as well. And in the gnome, Christmas gnome die set, there is this beautiful snowflake. You can see it here on screen. I cut these a couple of times out of white paper, and then I will have this in the background of this paper just to make it look a little bit more like a winter scene. I just love that. I think it turned out super cute. And yeah, I'm just playing around with the placement of this, and then I will cut away the exit. I'm careful here because there is a scoring line, and I don't want to put this too tight on top so I can't crease it later on. I use some liquid glue and I will attach it on top, and I'm making sure that all of these sort of tags or teeth on top of this in the holder is lined up. Even though I'm creasing it, I want that to be lined up. I hope that makes sense, so I don't have too much problems later on. You can see I'm scoring this this time first, and then I can bend it. You can also use a scoring tool for this. I was lazy, so I didn't want to bring that out, but you definitely can if you like an even nicer crease. I know that I will end up covering this, so it doesn't have to be perfect, and hey, it's just a tag, so yeah, it's your project. I will have my snowflake bow on top, and then the thank you. And to create, I thought these roses also would have been cute on this project. They didn't make it for this project. I will instead use this beautiful snowflake as a focal point for my tag, so I will have that there, and then I will bump all of my sentiments up with some foam tape to the back, and then I will, you can see I'm cutting these really teeny tiny strips of foam tape to have on the back of my sentiment, and that really helps my project or sentiment pop off my project. You can see here the exclamation point. Is it called that in English? I think it's called that. It was too like high for my liking, so I will actually peel this up and cut it slightly. I don't know if I did it on camera or not. Yeah, I did. You can see here I'm just bending my scissor and then cutting it to be slightly smaller, and then I will have the perfect size for my U underneath that. So that is how I solved that. And the enjoy will be just the focal point, and I use some embellishments from my stash. This was something I found at home. It's just a bottle. Sorry about me not having anything on camera here, but I just wanted to show how it will sit on top of a wine bottle. I saw some of the members of the design team having it on like a straw in a bottle. I thought that was genius as well. So you can really use these bottle tags for many different things. Perfect gifts So thank you so much for stopping by. I will have links down below for the products that I use in this video, and I will soon be back with another video. Thank you and Merry Christmas. Bye!